very new for me because I ain't never moved in with a woman before. So how much you pay?
It's a blood soup, like
Blood soup.
blood soup.
Blood
So
soup.
good.
Let's try to drink the juice.
Yeah.
Finish this juice. Tastes good.
Okay. In the flow with the water.
Y'all move to Thailand. Y'all gonna have these in the house sometime. There you go. Y'all see it? Let Gecko up there. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Nico, and I'm back with another video. Alright, first off, I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, go back and check out some of my older videos. And if you like what you see, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Alright, we're gonna get this video popping, y'all. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so we just got to the house. Got me this beautiful shirt right here. Moving into her crib. Her tenants actually just moved out. She had to kick them out because they weren't paying their bills. So it's all work out for us because she kicked them out. We're gonna move in this thing, y'all. But first we gotta clean it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So today the cleaner's gonna come through and they gonna clean it inside and out. Deep clean it. How much it gonna cost? How much it gonna cost for the cleaners?
2,500.
Okay, 2,500.
It's not a company, it's just like a person I contact from Facebook group.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
It'll be 3-4 people like that.
Okay. So we found some people on Facebook group. They gonna come clean the spot up, y'all.
See, this needs to be clean. I don't know if this is gonna come out or not.
Yeah, we're gonna do paint too. I think we're gonna do paint too. The painter's supposed to come through today. It's probably them calling right there. But yeah, the painter's gonna come through. They're gonna take the measurements and stuff and give us an estimate and stuff. This is the kitchen right here, y'all. Got the kitchen, got a little fridge right here. We're probably gonna get all new appliances and things like that. Yeah, got the 2 bathrooms, just 1 bathroom. Yeah, we got to get some new stuff in here. Yeah, by the time we get finished with this thing, it's gonna be like a brand new crib. It was brand new when she bought it. It's just her tenants didn't take care of it. So that's how it look now. It's the main bedroom right here. Bathroom. Yeah, and the second bedroom right here, y'all. But yeah, y'all, so this is a little project that we're about to be working on. You know, little quick project. I ain't in too much of a hurry to move into everything already and clean and, you know, set up how we want it to be. So we're just gonna be standing in another place and just, you know, and work on this as we go. You know what I mean? Move in when we are comfortable and things like that. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be very new for me because I ain't never moved in with a woman before. I used to have my own spot and the woman come to my spot, you know what I mean? So this is gonna be very new and a little, I don't know, interesting, I guess. You know, for me, I was just like, okay, I just keep on getting an Airbnb, pay Airbnb while we dating and things like that, you know what I mean? But sure, it's like we can save that money and just move into my spot. I'm like, all right. So how much you pay?
It's around 13K. Yeah.
So 13,000 baht, yeah. I'm gonna put that at the bottom down how much that is. That's her mortgage amount, you know what I mean? So they do mortgage here too in Thailand, just like they do in America. But anyways, but yeah, this is a spot, y'all. This is a spot. We're waiting on the cleaners and stuff to get here right now.
The cleaner say her car tire is what, pop? So she was waiting to change it, and now she just done, because she tell me before we leave, right? Before we leave the house inside the heap, she said, I'll be a little bit late. I don't know why, but I say, okay, I'm late too, because
her tire ain't pop. She just late. That's the most common excuse everybody like to give when they late for work. Tire pop, but it's all good though. We be out here chilling. Yeah, she got her some little plants out here. Need some water. The plants dying. Might get some. What's this, a lime? This lime right there, right here, lime plant. Yeah. Got like a little back pathway, little pathway to the back right here, y'all. Yeah, see the cleaners, they gonna clean all this up. You see they're building some more houses over there. Cause these houses are actually pretty new. Like I said, have tenants. They just ain't take care of them. You know what I mean? But it's all good though. It's all good.
Actually, the painter gonna come early too. He coming from Mexico, so it's be like 15 minutes. He gonna be here.
He gonna be here 15 minutes?
Yeah. So
okay.
He told us first that he won't come here by like afternoon, but I think he's free now, so he just comes.
Okay, cool. Go ahead and knock it out. All right, painters just left, y'all. That's them right there. Y'all, so the plan is we either gonna keep this blue color or they're gonna go beige in this gray part. Everywhere you see gray, the doors and everything, they're gonna paint brown, like a wood brown color. So that's the plan. We gonna see. He gonna send her the quote later on today. All right, y'all. So the cleaners arrived, and we about to go get some food. You hungry?
Hungry.
A little hungry, so we about to go get some food. Let's go. All right, y'all. So we're at the restaurant, a little noodle spot. Sherry took me to. She says it's one of her favorite spots. What we eating today?
It's noodles. It's a blood soup, like
blood soup.
Blood soup.
Blood
it's so
soup.
good. And I ordered this the soft. How to say that? The soft pork is so good. I like it. But I'm let Nicole try. I'm not sure if Nicole tried before, but it's the pork that with the skin and it's so soft. Like I don't know.
We're gonna see. All right, yeah, I'm gonna try it out. She said some blood soup. This new for me. I don't know how this gonna be. Some blood soup.
Blood soup.
I'm gonna try it out though, y'all. Let's see.
All right, guys. So get the veggies. Look at that, y'all. Blood noodle soup. See, this is how the pork is. This how skin is so good though.
So it's not really look like blood. Okay.
No, but they take the blood.
I got you.
And boil it, so it's be like this.
Okay, gravy is just blood. Blood with seasoning. You know what I mean? Okay, smell good. Smell good. Some little stewed.
Yeah.
My stewed pork. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, here's the veggies.
I like these. So one of these, just break it. Break.
I don't know. Yeah. There's some grilled chili.
Grilled chili?
Yeah, they grill it. See?
Okay. Vinegar, right? Ooh, smells good too. Vinegar. I like a lot of vinegar. I like vinegar taste.
Sour.
Yeah. Plus that vinegar cut the oil from the pork. You know what I mean? I like sour.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce. Good. Put a little bit of it. More like this. This is chili.
This some extra spicy because it's thick.
Put a big scoop in there like this. Cool. A lot of spice now, I can have a lot of spice now. Been in Thailand and ate a long time.
Some Thai nickel.
I eat more spice than sugar. Put a little sugar in there. Kind of like Thai noodle, you know?
Yeah.
They eat a lot of Thai noodle. A little bit of peanut on there.
Normally they put in like tom yum taste or something like that.
What's this one? Fish paste?
Yeah.
No.
They eat with fish paste. They eat with the veggies. Just dip it. I like it.
All right. This how the meat look, y'all.
Yeah.
It's good.
Taste
I put
the
the
soup.
perfect amount of vinegar in there for real.
You did a lot.
Yeah, that vinegar gives a good taste. Especially with the spicy. Let me see. Look at that. That's good. Blood soup.
Blood soup.
I come to Thailand and get y'all some blood soup.
Babe, can you smell this?
I don't like stuff.
Shrimp paste. I like it though. Just have to dip with the veggies like this and eat it.
You got
That's
the
so good.
strongest. You got the strongest fishy smell that I ever smelled. All this shrimp paste and fish paste and stuff. It's so good.
Normally,
You like this shrimp
no. Normally not.
So people probably look like I'm crazy, huh?
I think so.
It's good. It's all good.
No, Thai people shy. They're not gonna do that because they're shy.
You like shy?
Yeah.
Put a little bit of it. They shy to drink the juice?
Yeah.
Finish this juice. It tastes good.
Okay.
Alright, guys, so we all finished. Ready to go pay? Ready to go pay? Ready to leave?
I'm so stuck.
You stuck? Alright, y'all better go pay these bills. How much was it?
170.
170. Alright, y'all. It's 170. I'm gonna convert that down here at the bottom. Alright, y'all. So we just stopped by this little corner store right here, about to get some drinks for the cleaners. So,
Some energy boost.
I'll give us an energy boost.
Yeah.
I need energy boost too.
You want it?
Which one the best one to you?
Eloy.
That's the let me try. That's the Thai.
13 bang, Eloy, and
13 bang. What's 13? That's
But this one
that's
is
a Red
the
Bull.
most-
That's a Red Bull.
Yeah. Oh,
No.
yeah. Red Bull.
Let me see what's that. What should I call it?
It's called Kating Dang. But
Thirteen bang.
y'all
We call it Red Bull. Let me see. I think Red Bull is originally from Thailand. Original Red Bull. I'm gonna try it out. Oh, they got the drink over here too. Hong Kong Sang Song.
Lao Khao.
What's that?
It's called Lao Khao. It's like Thai whiskey.
Thai
Super
whiskey?
strong, 40 degrees.
What's the other one?
It's the same one. This 30 degrees is lower.
Lower. Let me
Yeah.
try one. Let me go ahead and try some Thai whiskey.
Really?
Yeah, I ain't gonna drink it right now though. I'll drink it later.
Damn. Are you sure?
Yeah,
Right
right.
now?
It's like that? You gonna fuck me up or something?
No, normally people drink like it's super smell.
We'll drink it tomorrow on Austin's birthday. Tomorrow Austin's birthday, y'all. Yeah, get some of this at her mom's house, y'all. Little Thai whiskey. Original. Kapun Kap, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Alright. It's rainy season right now, but as y'all can see, it ain't doing no raining. This is hot. You ready? Alright. I'll try this joint out right here. Got 2 bulls on it, not just one, 2. Gotta be strong. Tastes like Red Bull with syrup. It's thick. It ain't got no soda. It ain't like carbonated. It's thick.
No,
It ain't carbonated. It's like
it's thick.
Red Bull syrup, like concentrated Red Bull. That's what it tastes like. Concentrated Red Bull.
Don't be too energy, nah. Don't be too. Kating Dang.
Cutting dang?
Yeah.
Yeah, that tastes good though.
Oh.
It's super sweet, like syrup, like medicine or something.
Yeah, all of them like that. Thai people don't like to drink like that, and it's good.
Yeah. Ah. Crunching bang. Crunching bang. Live again. All right, y'all, back at the crib. About to go check on the progress. Get these folks something to drink. I know it's hot. They're not getting it in. Okay, they got them a little church set up. Okay.
In the flow with the water.
Yeah, we're gonna let them do their thing, y'all. Let them do their thing. Let them do their thing.
Put some music.
Yeah. We got some music on. They in there scrubbing it down. Got water all over the floor. Alright. So it's gonna be a little minute before they finish.
Yeah.
Really might as well go back to the crib. It's gonna be all day, I think.
She said 4 days, 4 hours.
4 hours? Oh, okay. Alright, y'all. So we done made it back to the house. They done cleaning. About to do a little quick walkthrough and see how I look. You know? It's about 5 o'clock. They've been cleaning for about 5 hours. Okay. Smell good. Yeah, they didn't get all the cobwebs out the corners and stuff. Okay, yeah.
Hey, babe, look at this.
What?
It's good. It smells good, huh?
Yeah, it's
Let's
clean.
have a heat. I think she has some heat too. I don't know. Let's shake this.
Okay.
This, I think we can open it up.
Nah, you gotta be painted.
We paid? Oh, good. Okay. Let's check it now.
Alright. Okay. They did their thing. For sure. Okay. Yeah, it's clean, y'all.
Oh, okay.
It's clean. Smell clean. Alright. Alright, now I feel comfortable to lay my head down here now. I'm gonna get the contact for y'all too, just in case y'all in Thailand and y'all need the place clean. They did they cleaned this too. They didn't even have to clean this. Sure about to get rid of this. They cleaned that up too though. That's what's up. Leave some of these windows open. So still some air can still flow through this thing. Oh, gecko. Very good. Got a gecko in here, we go. Boom, look at that gecko. Y'all move to Thailand, y'all gonna have these in the house sometime. There we go. Y'all see it? The gecko up there. These just be in the house sometime. Alright, y'all, so the house all clean. We're ready to start moving some things in there. We've been talking and sure thinking about actually selling this house, and we actually get another house that's bigger, got more space inside to fit us better. You know, we got more space. You know, I got a lot of things I want to buy and stuff like that, so I don't got the space for all that. But anyways, that's for a later video. But anyways, y'all, I appreciate y'all for checking out the channel. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and be looking out for the next one. Peace.